You just look at it. It may be little, but don't make no mistake. It'll rip your house right off the foundation. Because it's a two-stroke. Ha ha! What a cool little machine. Benelli, hey, it's not for you. Look at this thing. It's designed for a 60-pound kid up to 40 or 50 around, no problem. Guys, look at this tiny little piece of moto history right here. Isn't it cute? It's this kind of thing you want to put it on the mantle in your living room or hang it from the ceiling. It's a 1970 Benelli Buzzer, making this thing 55 years old, but it looks like it just came out of the box. It's just been given a full frame-up restoration. The saddle is reupholstered with the correct Benelli logo on the back of it. All the chrome has been redone. The fresh paint job looks great. It's runs excellent. I weigh 240 pounds with gear on, so I'm probably a little over the intended rider size. It's built for a young urban rider to ride on the street or trail. The engine runs excellent. You can see it has a new coil on it. The cylinder's been repainted. The engine's been rebuilt. And the headlight looks to be in excellent condition. The speedometer was rebuilt and reset to 99,996 miles. So in 4 miles, it'll roll over back to zero. I'm not sure why they did that. Palo Alto usually rebuilds them and resets them to zero, but you can see the chrome on the front fender is new. The front tire is new. The graphics are new on the motorcycle. The grips are new. The chrome on the bars, the chrome on the side of the tank, the chrome on the fenders, all the chrome on the bike appears to be brand new or original, perfect condition. Real hard to find one like this. Still got the VIN plaque on here. Really, these are ridden into the ground by most kids. Still even has the original toolbox right here, which is kind of cool. It's ready to roll into the museum and or bring it to a bike show, really, or take it to the beach and ride it around the campground, whatever you want to do. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. This is as nice a one as I've ever seen. I've never seen a finer one. It's a spectacular piece. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.